Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Snapchat account permanently. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the icon in the top left, and here you need to click on the settings icon in the top right, and here you can find all your detail. You simply need to scroll, and then you need to, in the support, you will find the option of I need help. Click on that option. Once you click on that option, I need help, you simply need to scroll, and here you find the option my account and security. Click on that option, and here you can see the option of you can see the option of how do I delete my Snapchat account. You simply need to click on that, and then you need to see this that after taking the steps to delete your account, it will first be deactivated for 30 days, and if you want to reactive, you simply reactive your account. But how you can delete that, you simply need to click on go to account portal. So once you click on that, here you need to enter your password, and once you enter your password, you simply need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after that Snapchat will permanently delete your account. So this is the process by which you can delete your Snapchat account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.